So now we see the functions of operating systems. There are four functions of an operating system. Operating system performs four services or four functions to the computer users to use the computer hardware. They are memory management, processor management, device management and file management. We see everything in detail one by one. First thing is memory management. So in memory management, the operating system keeps track of the primary memory, which part is in use, by whom, how long it is registered and which is not in use. All these things are monitored by the operating system. So in multiprogramming environment, the OS decides which process will get memory, when and also how much. So this is the second task of memory management, which is done by operating system. And as a third task, it allocates the memory when a process requests it. As the fourth task, it deallocates the memory. So when it is used, when the memory, the task using by the memory, the task, the memory is used, when the memory is used, the memory will be again got back by the OS. So this is called as deallocation of memory. So the four things are called as memory management done by the operating system. The next one is processor management. So the program which is responsible for keeping track of the processors is known as the traffic controller. So by the use of traffic controller, the OS performs this processor management, right? So it allocates the processor, which is CPU, to the process which is requesting, and it also deallocates the processor when it is no longer required. So this is called as processor management. The next one is device management. Device management is just keeping track of the devices which are connected to the computer. This is called device management. When it is required, it will be allocated. When it is ready, then the device is available, and when it is required, the OS will allocate the device, or it will just put the process in wait state, right? So after the device is used up, it will be again got back. Deallocation will be done. So the everything, all these tasks are known as device management. That's it. Then the next thing is file management. File management is the collective facilities of the files is known as a file system. So with the use of the file system, the OS just keeps track of the information, their location, the users who are using it or the users who are accessing it, and the status of the files, etc. So all these things are monitored by the operating system with the help of the file system. So the operating system decides who gets the files, and so on, right? So that is the second task. And the third one is it allocates the files when they are requested by the processors or the users. And finally, when it is used, when there is no longer requirement of the particular file, it will be got back by the operating system. So everything is called as file management. So here we saw the terminology of operating system and also the four important functions of operating system. And I have given some web references. I have collected the materials from web as well as from your textbook. Hope these links will be useful to you. This is for a better understanding. And finally, thanks for watching.